How to add a user to your Instagram business account. So this can be really useful if you want to add an administrator or a moderator to help you manage your Instagram account. Now, the first thing you need to do is just make sure you have a business account set up on Instagram. So head over to your Instagram profile and you should see the professional dashboard, and this just indicates that this is a business account. If you haven't already set this up, you can click on settings in the top right hand side. You could then just scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on account type and tools. Now click on switch to professional account, and you'll just need to go through the steps to set up a business Instagram account. Now once you've done this, you can go and close out of the Instagram app, and you'll just need to go and open up an internet browser. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer as it's much easier to demonstrate, but you can do this on a mobile device as well. So from an internet browser, just go and type in business.facebook.com and press enter. If it automatically signs you into an account, just click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and click on login with another account. You'll then need to click on login with Instagram and then sign in to your Instagram account. You could then click on the login button. Now, like I mentioned, you can do this on mobile as well. It's just slightly trickier to navigate over to the pages. So once you're logged in the left-hand side, go and click on settings. And the first thing you need to do is make sure you've set up the contact information for your account. Now, I've already done this, but if you see a button here that says add contact info, you'll need to go and click that to add your information. You can then press invite people in the top right-hand side and then type out the email address of the person you want to add to your Instagram account. You can then decide to allow temporary or permanent access. I'm just going to leave this as permanent, and then click on next in the bottom of the page. You could then decide whether you want to allow full control to this user that you're adding, and this means they'll have full admin privileges to your Instagram account. You could then click on next, click on the drop down arrow and select your Instagram and click on confirm. If you want to allow partial access, you can toggle on the items you want to allow them access to. You can then press next and finally click on invite with one asset. Now this user will be sent an invitation via their email address. Once they've accepted the invitation, there will now be a new user on your Instagram account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.